We shall for. Let me say, maybe a video be. Now, as some of my kind, let me say, be no more enthusiastic. We read the comments na bia. Baby, I understand the point I was trying to make. A minimum so me who say I was yes address issue ni bi emom. Obia ni obia ni asem. A contest en e ko. Efi akonwa e na beda ho a ye na ye pre. Okay. Personal attacks and a problem. A contest yimu. Minim ne enti a obia ya na o attack Dr. Bawumia. E ho ne ye pese address kire mo say. Se politics ne mo si ye dia, ye nye clean campaign. When I was so de hwan, when I was so hwan, oju sika boa party. Honorable Brian Champion and Kennedy Japan and who the all kind of crazy. Brian so on a funded campaign in fact, Kennedy Japan's a campaign on a funded. Whatever it takes. Ye na a party bako. The person chairman say, sa election we get a see yen. Ah, muna mudu mwania che Dr. Bawumia, mo pesa mo che say, or no na ma ye lusu election. Na what I mean to my say. Na me breaking it down. Ye na ye papa Brian Champion, the campaign manager. Ah, wa Asante North, Asante Achim North. Ye papa, your friend is simple, and the appear kubi. Only Krachi, independent candidate, or Henry Kwame Frimpong, a contest here. For the first time, I independent candidate, I winning about Asante Achimlof. Me chama debi, data nam de mamono. And the appear kubi now, one to so for NPP no. Only 8,933 votes, Muntiani ye. And this or Henry Kwame Frimpong, this young man. And you have 26,926 votes. More the difference. The difference margin, Nyamin Kwa close to 20,000 votes margin. Me say, Papa and Yapia Kubi, and American I say no. Asante Achimnof, NPP, Enya 8,933. And now Henry Kwame from Ponya 26,926. But this is parliamentary candidate. It me question is say. And ye be Dr. Bawumia and a man the appear kubi. I say you Susana. Ya boy am a fifi. Brachapo, o campaign manager. They can check and acquire fast Lusu over 20,000 votes to a young man or Henry Kwame Frimpong. Check it. And the appear kubi on the NPP ticket. She votes are winning. Kwawu Kwawu una Elio Max for Kwawu say una kita Kwawu. Shekwawu area zones so nyina. You in your own constituency, your votes dropped by 7,000 votes. And so Dr. Bawumia, the whole Kwawu Kaboma 41,000 votes in your votes drop here. 41,000 votes. Moni mnientia. Party mano ena mumunya positions no. Na moya hantan dwe ewo moso. Memeti ye minya party mpanyifo panyibi e ma na ba attack me business. Mene the fight mun na be draw follow me na yawe. Yenya penye wo party ni be attack me business. Ko jina radio so so de anwea agu me gari party ba. It is a me na wa koto aba, me koto. The same thing in your bit is a Brian Champion. Snit Hotel. Ah, money nya de Brian Champion so no kwa no sika. Ye jama no ton hye bottom no fanko. Ghana fo bufu ye. The same thing, you say haircut. You can't finance minister, you be found. And also, and a Ghana for pensioners haircut. Madam Bakuti is legon. Me panichawa no panas or kotua boss haircut can a mammy. It's not mammy pension or Mudom Sakenti or kotuaba. It's more person who never may lose ya. Within yourselves, Kennedy Japan, and Ocean Fagana Mano, Edison. No constituency after 24 years. Sit there for him. Elsa Dr. Bawumia. Adentina party ya person ya build near the court ya do win election. Na munya tribal comments were necessary way nipa ba ko na mu na mo kwa attack no. De amu ye di mu hinti ya ba ma mu na mo tumu sika gum. Kennedy Japan for sika bra, Brian for sika bra. Delegates moji sika ndi. At the end snewe na ebe hu chale. Sini ewe ye na ebe hu chale. Obia of forms because there is no unity. The front line unity ni ho ye penyi fo na die hwemo om de search form na one dia and dia pia kubia we campaign manager Who Brian Champion, go and ask your own campaign manager, say, Kwan Ben or Faswa, or Lusu election abysmally. Kaba or Lusu, yeah? And the MP could be to me secure just 8,933 votes by the MPP. And to this young man, or Henry Kwame Frimpong, and you're 26,926. Asante Regional Assembly, Asante Echimnof. Say Dr. Baumia Fortana, and also, Monshe ya papa, Katie Hammond. Katie Hammond City crowd Olusuye. It is because you have power, no, you refi grassroots. You feed the grassroots, no, a hand tiny deck, and a penny ya, or man feed the grassroots, no. In a loose election. This is simple thing. More than Kwasha Traba, Brian Champion, Mr. Ulusu 41,000 votes. I don't say Dr. Baumia. And I don't say man proceed for an about. And your peer could be. When I campaign manager, my Brian Champion, also ask yourself the reason why Ulusu over 20.
It was a normal warm up, no. I said, be a shade. Tell me, Mr. Maker. Oh, last week on internet news, I mean, who say, because campaign I friend no, Ralph no, crashing no. Posted video be. I only man be etna from female. I say, conform be because a voter region. Na so oko bold dua oko ye den won't meet. And I've seen a lot of people comment under it. I say, hey, I didn't know who I didn't voter region. It was for me, I'm a votarian. Why wouldn't you say me a votarian? I met me a Kaigbi. Actually, I say, you're a votarian. And if you view menu, a metro whole central, okay? Metro whole central. And me, I'm a pure votarian. And even though I'm a Christian, I understand how our gods operate. And I know they're more power and I'm more two men so. But and I know more I voter hano. Omuchi kosiasem. Yeah. I dare friend kosiasem. Omusu sosu. And he said, who to me call hospital? Who call hospital no? I dare I see any I video and other stuffs that are not allowed. Akwa koyewi. So akwa ko piano bia we pram nipa no. So say wo mukra say when piano mpo. The moment you have actually gone contrary to the rules that are set in that environment. Masa, jai kosiasem no na busum bia any voter house eson kosiasem so. Whatever you did was wrong. And he said, a woman possess one pia mameno. Now chan trogu sumpua. Busum bia ni voter ha. I bet you are some meeting. There be. And now voter goes to their discipline do. Now if he say, Adena, omoji dinsano. Omo pe kosiasem. And he wa obedi kosiasem biano, edi wasem ko wa. Fast. Now, I also got the system also called Ubebodia, Uko Busum channel. Say voter for Busum Kuana in channel Korea, and the Jews KD free. Papa, who say we Jimmy Sen will be behind on also Jews KD free. She mameno. Upper ground didn't know that she say a voter.